We're going to speak about the tapestry of life. Actually, we are continuing the talk we gave last Sunday morning. It concerned the principles behind reincarnation. We tried to show you that this whole idea behind reincarnation involves the individualization of the spark of cosmic consciousness. In a sense, that spark has come from the vastness, not as we think of it in terms of time and space, but from infinite cosmic consciousness. The cosmic substance, a particular spark, atom, or nucleus, has eternally resided in cosmic consciousness. It has come down through the various realms or levels of form. Form originates from that which is, through the will or drive of God, and the appearance of a form in this so-called physical world does not negate the fact that it came from that which is formless. That nucleus or center, which you and I are, that part of us which is an eternal cell in God's consciousness, takes upon itself the experience of weaving types of form. God wills us to manipulate certain kinds of vibrations in such a way as to develop completely individualized self-consciousness. This is done so that we can become co-creators with the Divine Creator. In order for this to take place, we all have pushed through difficulties, immersed in vibrations, and woven various forms. In our type of consciousness, we know the vibrations as the elements, as mineral, vegetable, and animal life, right on into the most complex type of controlling consciousness, human consciousness. In order to manipulate our mind, emotions, and drives, we certainly need past experience, simply because reincarnation has always been a principle in true Western mystery schools. Does not mean that everybody involved is going to attain immediate liberation. Most don't even know what that means. Some people might think that they or others are going to end as failures in the cosmic scheme.